All right, we already, I blew some steam off. I see a lot of Lions fan mad about the Frank Who Gives a Fuck pick, the center out of Arkansas. I'm going to double dip. I'm going to talk about a little bit about that in my next video. It's going to be right after this one. But talking about the lack of coverage for the Lions every year. It's like they just talk about our pick for 20 seconds and move on. And that's just the lack of disrespect that the NFL has for the Lions. Not only is from the referee and the higher powers, you know what I'm saying? That shit trickles down to the networks, man. And every year, even we haven't had a really, really high pick in since Ziggy Ansah, I don't think. But every year we pick, and even with that pick, it's like, it's really no extensive coverage on the Lions. There's no real analytics on the Lions, or deep analysts, excuse me, for a better term. They don't get deep. They don't talk about the Lions and talking about, what the Lions going to do here at number 20 pick. They don't talk about that. They talk about a whole different type of team, or this trade, or what can happen with this player. And the NFL continues to disrespect the Lions, man. They continue to do maybe on the field with the refereeing, blown calls, maybe be the fumble with the Calvin Johnson thing in Seattle, the catch. Golly. It took them 3 or 4 years to get the catch rule right now, or trying to get it right. And when it happened to Detroit, it was basically, but when it happened to Dallas and then it happened to another marquee team, now they want to change the rules. And just to disrespect the Lions, get across the board from the NFL and these networks, man. It's getting atrocious. They don't talk about our draft pick. They don't really talk about us in the NFC North. They talk about the Bears, the Vikings, the Packers. No matter how bad they are, they continue to pump out stuff about the other teams. And at the end of the day, it get frustrating. I hear this from a lot of fans, but that's what the Forest built here, man. They built it. This was a premier franchise before the Forest bought the Lions, from what I understand. And, for them not respecting they franchise and they team, now the NFL is not going to respect them. If you don't respect yourself, how you expect other people to respect you? And that's the same sentiment that's going on for the Lions, man. Same old Lions every year. It's the same stuff amongst inside the organization and outside the organization. We don't get the benefit of the doubt. We don't get that call. We don't get this. We don't never get the benefit of the doubt. Even on the networks. If we get played shady, well, it's the Lions. They deserved it. Yada dee, yada die. Even the networks is versus us. It's Detroit versus everybody legitimately when it comes to the NFL. Legit. That's what it is. It's Detroit versus everybody. And, hopefully Bob Quinn is making the right pick with Frank Who Gives a Fuck. I don't know his name out of Arkansas. I'm going to keep saying that until he play well and proves me wrong. And God willing, he plays well. But, yeah, like I said, it's crazy. It's real, real crazy, man. And, what else can you do? We just, we got to win to gain respect. It was a lot of shitty franchises that was treated like us. So we got to get that respect, man. We got to start building a winner. It don't seem like it's close. Even though we went 9-7, I think back-to-back years and this and that, it's tough. It just seemed like we almost always there. We almost always, we going to win a playoff game. It never happens. So until we start consistently winning, the league not going to give us our respect. And, when we do win, the story is going to be so much sweeter because all the odds will continue to be stacked against us. All the time. All the odds are always continue to stack against us. When we win, we got to beat the refs, the other team. We got to beat the mop and bucket guy, everything. But the lack of disrespect last night, how they glossed over our pick and before our pick and then didn't analyze nothing and just act like it didn't happen and went to the next pick. It's terrible. It's terrible. It's terrible. And not only did ESPN do it, I heard NFL Network did it, and everybody else who covered the draft. So, let me know how y'all feel about the situation. That was atrocious last night. Atrocious coverage on the Lions. Atrocious coverage, all the way through by everybody except for Fox. I don't know how many people watch Fox. I didn't watch it. But it is what it is. It's just the disrespect we get in Detroit. And we got to continue to build a winner and support our team. But y'all know what it is. Motor City Sports Talk. Your boy CJ Goodfellow. We gone.